you for this life.
From a whisper at the break of dawn, a grateful heart for a new day born, for breath in lungs, the morning light. You brought me through the darkest night. This is my noise, my offering for every single blessing there. You brought the rain, provided joy, and healed the pain. A roof, a home, a family tie. Your faithfulness, my supply. This is my noise, my offering for the life and the joy you bring. Oh, make a joyful noise, all the earth. Shout to the Lord of heaven's worth. Sing your praise. Thanksgiving in our hands, we come to your courts with a praise that understands. Not because we're perfect, but because you're good. We shouted from the valleys to the tallest woods. Make up to your noise, all the earth. Shout out to the Lord of heaven's worth. Sing your praise with a thankful heart from